Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a timely issue: how to transfer money from the USA to Russia in 2025. With ongoing global changes, sending money internationally can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide. First things first, let's talk about the big picture. In 2025, transferring money from the USA to Russia might involve extra hurdles due to regulations like sanctions. Always check the latest updates from the U.S. Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, to ensure your transfer is compliant. This step is crucial to avoid any legal issues. Now, onto the methods. One popular option is using digital services like Wise or Revolut. These platforms offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. To get started, sign up for an account on their website or app. It's quick and usually free. Once you're in, link your US bank account or debit card. Remember, you'll need to verify your identity, so have your ID and proof of address ready. Next, select the Russian ruble as your destination currency and enter the recipient's details, like their bank account or mobile number. Double-check everything to prevent errors. Fees can vary, so compare rates beforehand. Aim for services that charge transparent, flat fees rather than hidden percentages. If digital apps aren't your thing, you could go traditional with a bank wire transfer. Contact your US bank, provide the recipient's Russian bank info, and initiate the transfer. This method is reliable but often more expensive and slower, taking 1 to 5 business days. A few pro tips. Always use secure connections, especially on public Wi-Fi, to protect your financial data. Keep an eye on exchange rates using apps like Z or Google Finance for the best timing. And if you're dealing with large amounts, consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it, a simple guide to transferring money from the USA to Russia in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and savvy with your money. Thanks for watching.